Hey, what's happening, guys? I want to show you a shot of these two 3D printers sitting over here for a second. I've been spending the last few weeks getting to know them and the software that runs them intimately. And let me show you why, because I've got something exciting coming up. All right, so this has been my favorite little screwdriver for dealing with electrical stuff for years and years. But unfortunately, the rubber in the handle has started to degrade. But instead of buying a new one, I thought, let's design one. Let's just make one. And that's what I wanted to talk to you about. It's taken me a long time to get here, to the point where I can kind of, whoops, wrong button, design and model actual mechanical things, not just, cute little tchotchkes like benchies and, little statuettes, but to actually make real things. And I want to show you how I got here, and I want to take you on that journey with me so that you don't have to spend the frustration that I did to do this, because there is a lot of frustration involved. So while 3D printing is incredible fun and you can print a lot of great stuff, for me, and I think for a lot of you guys as well, if you can't print the stuff that's in your head, then it's nothing more than an interesting toy. So that's why I wanted to really get into this, was to print the things that are in my head, like replacing a favorite screwdriver. Or if you guys remember the T7 multifunction tester, I screwed up the case. Well, just make a new one. And it looks easy, right? Well, it's not hard, but there is a learning curve involved in prototyping your own actual objects. I mean, these all look, if you just, cursory look at them, they all look very similar, but each one is changed in a slight way to get to the point where we are here, that it actually fits. And that's with, taking precise measurements with a multimeter, a radius or fillet gauge, and a machinist rule. I mean, these are the tools that you need to do this, and some modeling software. So I have a couple of sponsors that are going to come on board with this, and we're going to create Melty Mondays, where we're going to talk about design and 3D printing and how to make some of the things that you got the 3D printer for in the first place. Now, the software we're going to be using is Onshape. The reason I chose Onshape is, number one, because it's free. And number two, for me, in fact, it was easy to understand. I looked at some other packages like FreeCAD and Fusion 360, and to me, they were just incredibly difficult to understand. But anything you're going to do like this is definitely going to come with some sort of a learning curve. But this is not hard. This you can get to in maybe 10 hours of learning how to use a CAD program. It doesn't take much to get here. And that's what I want to show you in this upcoming series, how I got here, how you can get here and print your own cool stuff. So we are going to be starting that next week, the week of July 17th, 2023. And I hope that all you guys are there. That's it. I'm out. Peace.